NOESIS Ltd is an export-oriented cosmetic company with its own manufacturing facilities situated in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. Focused on developing strong brands of high-quality cosmetic products, our 850 square meter factory has a capacity of more than 1 million PCS per month. There, our young and ambitious team of professionals strives towards perfection by developing innovative solutions to modern problems. We specialize in manufacturing a wide range of skin and hair care products, oral care, pet care, and biocidal products development. Our key mission in NOESIS is to make people smile and feel comfortable so they can perform their daily tasks better.
NOESIS was founded in 2020 as a multi-brand startup company that provides out-of-the-box solutions with extreme attention to details. I started it with the idea of perfection. Think of it as a creative dream world where users feel extremely overexcited and happy. I remember the nights when we used manual machines and screwed caps by hand until 4 o'clock in the morning.
Now, with brand new equipment and a daily capacity of more than 50,000 bottles, we are able to offer private label and contract manufacturing as a way to ensure regular company income. We understand the proper diversification of sharing factory resources between the company's internal projects and contract manufacturing is crucial for our long-term strategy. As a company which offers complex solutions, we can cover everything from our product concept to delivery. A very experienced cosmetic technologist will take you through the stages where active ingredients are combined and textures are blended into a unique, exclusive formula which considers your own market position and personal preferences. Our product development laboratory and state-of-the-art machinery are at your disposal for manufacturing the most innovative and highest quality natural and organic cosmetics.
We at NOESIS offer complex solutions and pay special attention to creativity. You decide, nothing is impossible.
As the factory manager, I'm responsible for the smooth and seamless streamlining of processes. Never compromising with quality is a religion with us. I believe that the satisfaction from good and quality products outweighs the joy of the lowest price. I'm very happy that we have invested in an automatic conveyor line because now the probability of human error is minimized.
Our principles are simple. Be respectful, positive, hardworking, and think outside of the box. Some of the largest retailers in Europe have already trusted us. Send your inquiry today.